Hi there, it's Elizabeth Rose. I've recently received a question from a client asking me if it made more sense to schedule their closing earlier in the month or towards the end of the month. And this question centered around the fact that you pay for a number of days of interest from the day of closing to the end of the month. Well, some people think that closing at the end of the month is the way to go. And I say, well, not necessarily. It depends. You see, if you close on the 25th of the month, then you're going to pay interest through the 30th. So you're going to have 5 days of interest, actually 6 days of interest, gets you to the first of the month. If you close on the 5th of the month and you're in a 30-day month, then you're going to have 26 days of interest that you have to pay. So some people would think, well, surely on the closing statement, it's very obvious. If you pay 5 days versus 25 days, big difference in the amount of cash that you're bringing to closing. But here's the thing. If you're selling a house and your mortgage is at, say, 5.5%, 6%, 7%, there's still some mortgages out there even higher than that, and you're purchasing a home at today's interest rates, which are quite a bit lower, then it would seem to me that it would make more sense to pay to close at the beginning of the month. Because really and truly, it's all about you pay me now or you pay me later. And you pay either the old mortgage company or you pay the new mortgage company. But in the end, you're going to pay. You're going to pay for every single day. It's just a matter of when you pay. And so I guess it's a personal thing then at that point, right? But it comes down to the math. And the math says that it really does not benefit you in any financial way to try to push it to the last day of the month or the 25th or the 27th. It really doesn't make a difference. So close when it works for your schedule. Close when it's agreeable to the seller. Close when it works for all the parties involved. And forget about trying to manipulate the date because you might save a couple of days or 10 days interest, because in the long run, you're not saving anything. You're going to pay to live somewhere. And you're going to pay at a daily rate, even if it's a monthly check you're writing. So, little food for thought there, but it's all up to you. Whatever you want to do, we'll make it happen. Have a great day.